Hi, I am Dr. Paresh Navalkar. I am going to take you through the oxygen concentrator. As you all know that there is a oxygen crisis in the country and most of the COVID patients require oxygen and it should come through a right amount and through a right device. Too many patients are not receiving the right amount of oxygen at the right time. Oxygen concentrator is available in India and have two flow rate capacities. They come in 5 liter as well as 10 liters. So the first step is to know your device and also remember that your device is delivering oxygen at a stated flow rate. Now I will take you through the demonstration of the oxygen concentrator. This device is the oxygen concentrator. This works on an electrical mains. So this has to be connected to the electrical mains and has to be a direct connection with no many devices attached to this or through extension board. So this is for the safety. This device, as any other device, has its own switch which needs to be put on to start the machine. This is the oxygen. This device concentrates the air, takes in air and gives out concentrated oxygen through this port. This is connected to the humidifier bottle which is attached to the machine. This has an outlet port from where the humidified oxygen will be coming out. So this bottle needs to be filled with clean water. There are marks on the bottle where there is the minimum water and the maximum water. Clean, boiled and cooled water is preferred. It should be half filled, not overfilled, otherwise the water will enter the tubings. The humidifier bottle has to be secured. This is the flow rate. It has markings from, it starts from 0 to 5. And this is a knob which helps you to adjust the flow rate. You can see the ball that is moving from 1 to 5. So I am setting now this to 2 liters. So you see the red ball that is floating at 2. As I mentioned, this outlet has to be connected to the nasal cannula. And this would go to the patient's nose. The machine is put on by pressing the switch. There are multiple lights that will go on. Once it's ready to use, the green light comes on. No alarm light should be on at the time when you start. You have to decide what flow rate you are going to. So accordingly, you will have to adjust the flow rate. Through nasal cannula, you can give from 1 to 4 liters. So this is how you will set it. Here you can see the bubbles coming out, that is the oxygen is going out and coming in through the tube. You can even sense it. The device to give you the stipulated oxygen, it never gives you 100%, but it will give you anywhere from 93 plus or minus 2. So that is how this device is put to use. The other thing which you need to know about this device, it comes with an air filter also which is fitted inside. This has to be cleaned up periodically as per as the device and the manufacturer's instruction. But it is very easy to clean. You just have to open the flap and the filter which is inside has to be cleaned or replaced as per as device specific instruction.